hilarious. We just got home.
I wrapped her up like that.
Violet wrapped her up
Before we left.
like that. Oh, she just yawned. When we came in, she was like this. Hi, baby girl. Hi, sweetheart. Is it cold in here? Yeah. Tell Mama.
See, she did this, and that means yes.
Tell
right?
Mama. Is it cold? Yeah. You're so sweet. Yes, you are.
You want to see something?
You're such a sweet puppy. You're so sweet. No, Violet, leave her alone. She's comfy. Aw, her stretching. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, baby girl. Hi, baby.
Oh, her little paw is cold.
Aw, cover her up. Aw.
All the way up to your little neck.
Hi, sweetie. Hi,
And this
baby.
is how me and Sparkle lay together.
Aw. Oh, yawn. Aw. See, I love you. Hi, baby girl.